Alright, let's take a walk down memory lane. 5 years ago, I drove a brand new 2020 Toyota Corolla off the lot. It was shiny, new, and ready to conquer the world. But what's the deal with it now, after all these years? Is it still the most reliable used car you can buy? And more importantly, should you steer clear of the 10th-Gen Corolla? Today I'm spilling the tea on all of it. The good, the bad, and the surprises. Let's jump in. Before we dive in, quick question for you. What's the first thing that pops into your head when you think about the Toyota Corolla? Reliable, right? But here's the twist. Not every year is created equal. Some are gold and others, well, not so much. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which used Corolla you should grab and which one you should avoid, like a bad date. Alright, let's break it down. We're talking about the 2020 Toyota Corolla and what it's like to live with one after 5 years. I'll be covering everything from cost of ownership to real-world daily driving. And yes, we're going to get into why you might want to give the 10th generation a wide berth when it comes to buying used. Let's start with the real cost of ownership. No, I'm not talking about the sticker price. That's easy. The real cost: maintenance, repairs, insurance, and gas. I've been driving this car for 5 years, and let me tell you, Toyota wasn't kidding when they said it's cheap to own. My annual maintenance? Less than $300. Yep, you heard that right. Oil changes, tire rotations, and a few minor repairs, and that's about it. Fuel economy is another win. With the 2020 Corolla, you're looking at about 30 miles per gallon in the city and up to 38 on the highway. So yeah, it doesn't just save you money on maintenance, it also saves you at the pump. Seriously, I've saved enough on gas to splurge on a few takeout dinners here and there. Now, let's talk daily driving. The 2020 Corolla is a solid, no-nonsense commuter car. It's got great handling, a smooth ride, and the safety tech, top-notch. With Toyota Safety Sense, you've got adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and automatic emergency braking. A real peace of mind if you ask me. That's the good. Now the bad. Let's talk about the infotainment system. It's okay, but not amazing. If you've got an iPhone, the Apple CarPlay is a lifesaver. But if you're rocking Android, prepare for some glitches here and there. And honestly, the sound system? Not exactly Bose level, more like acceptable for a commute. Space? Surprisingly roomy. I've had friends back there and no one's complaining about legroom. But let's be honest, the trunk could use a little more space for that Costco haul. But hey, we can't have it all, right? Living with the 2020 Corolla has actually changed my lifestyle. It's low maintenance, dependable, and honestly, it's just stress-free. Some days I've forgotten what it's like to worry about a car breaking down on me. It's also taught me how to embrace simplicity. You don't need all the bells and whistles to enjoy driving. Sometimes, you just need a car that gets you where you need to go without drama. So, after 5 years, would I still recommend the 2020 Toyota Corolla? Absolutely. It's reliable, cheap to maintain, and does exactly what it says on the tin. But if you're in the market for a used car, here's the big tip. Avoid the 10th-Gen Corolla. Don't get me wrong, it's still a Toyota, so it's not a disaster. But the 2020 model has significantly improved on things like the interior quality, tech features, and overall feel. Now I know what you're thinking. Is now a good time to buy? The used car market is a bit crazy right now, but if you can find a 2020 Corolla at a reasonable price, I'd say go for it. Just check the mileage and the car's history. These things last forever, but you still want to make sure you're not picking up someone else's headache. So there you have it. The 2020 Toyota Corolla. Reliable, efficient, and still a fantastic choice for a used car. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you've got about the 2020 Corolla or any other car you're thinking of buying. Trust me, I'm always happy to help you out. Until next time, drive safe and keep it Corolla.